Rich in fatty acids, particularly ricinoleic acid, it exhibits antioxidant effects that combat free radicals, known to accelerate aging by damaging cellular structures. By neutralizing these free radicals, castor oil helps preserve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles, contributing to a more youthful complexion. Moreover, the oil's anti-inflammatory properties can mitigate inflammation, which is often implicated in age-related conditions such as arthritis and cardiovascular diseases. Regular consumption or topical application of castor oil may thus help alleviate symptoms and support overall health. Castor oil also contains antimicrobial properties, which can aid in combating infections and promoting digestive health by potentially balancing gut flora. Its traditional use as a laxative highlights its role in maintaining gastrointestinal regularity, thereby supporting detoxification processes crucial for overall well-being.